Welcome back to Auto Insights Review. Today, we're diving deep into a classic legend, the 1980 Toyota, a car that defined durability and simplicity in the 80s. It's a vehicle that may not scream performance by today's standard, but it holds a special place in automotive history due to its reliable engineering and practical design. So let's take a closer look at this timeless machine from the outside, the inside, and under the hood. Starting with the exterior, the 1980 Toyota carried that boxy and squared-off design language that was so iconic of that era. The lines are clean and functional, giving the car a sturdy and dependable appearance. The front fascia features simple sealed beam headlights and a modest grille, with minimal chrome detailing. The bumpers are metal, not plastic, and that alone tells you a lot about the build quality. You will often find these cars with original paint still holding up, a testament to the quality of materials used. The side profile is straightforward with large windows, providing excellent visibility. And around back, the taillights follow a rectangular design, fitting right into the car's overall simple theme. There's no flash here, just function over form. Moving to the interior, the 1980 Toyota is equally utilitarian but in the best way possible. The dashboard is made of hard plastic but is extremely durable. The controls are manual, no digital screens, no complicated menu, just simple knobs and sliders for everything. The seats are cloth, and while they may not offer heated or cooled options, they're surprisingly comfortable even by modern standards. The legroom and headroom are decent, especially for a compact car of that time. Everything inside feels built to last, from the gear shifter to the door handles. It's a minimalist experience, but it's pure and honest, offering you exactly what you need and nothing you don't. When it comes to performance, don't expect a speed demon, but do expect a car that just won't quit. Most 1980 Toyota models come with a 1.6L or 1.8L inline-four engine. These engines were not designed for speed, but for reliability and fuel efficiency. You're looking at around 60 à 75 horsepower, depending on the variant. The acceleration is slow by today's standard, but once it gets going, it cruises smoothly. What really stands out is how reliable these engines are. Owners from back then will tell you, this car could easily hit 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. It's got a manual transmission that's fun to drive, giving you a mechanical feel that's rare in today's car. Now talking about price, the 1980 Toyota was an affordable option when it was new. Adjusted for inflation, it would cost somewhere between $10 to $12 in today's money. But what's interesting is the classic car market. These Toyota are now slowly becoming collectible. Depending on the condition, mileage, and originality, you can find them today for anywhere from $3 for a project car to upwards of $12 for a pristine example. It's not just a car, it's a piece of history, and collectors are starting to take notice. That's it for today's review of the 1980 Toyota. A simple, reliable, and iconic car that proves you don't need all the bells and whistles to make a lasting impression. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next classic car review. Thanks for watching Auto Insights Review.